Good morning, everyone. So now, guys, we'll start with a new topic. So the yesterday's topic, everyone did it.
Actually, I think we just lost connection, so I don't know where. I mean, did you continue after we lost connection, or what happened yesterday?
You know, I have completed the entire thing, the video. So the video is uploaded.
Okay, all right.
I've completed it. The video is there. You can check. No issues. If it is not there, I'll tell you. Anyways, you are just you compiled one thing. Another table has to be compiled. I think that was the.
Do you have the notes that you made yesterday, or have did you save it, or did it go?
No, I did not save it. I don't save this notes basically. If you want, I'll
Yeah, yeah, I think so. I think it's really helpful because it helps you kind of get all those steps there. So maybe you can, as I suggested earlier, you can kind of do it, and then in the end, towards the end of the class, can you just share it with us?
definitely.
Because I just don't have the time actually to go back and look at the video, but notes helps make it faster.
Definitely. Okay, so now let's just see here another topic.
And also, I mean, are you still planning to do it like 6:30, or I mean, maybe we can just start at 7, because like I have 2 young kids and I'm just really trying to figure out my time. You know what I mean? Like if it's 6:30, then I want to start at 6:30. If it's at 7, I would like to start at 7.
No, hopefully we'll start at 6:30 only, because
Okay.
from the next week onwards, that is from the next coming Monday, we'll start at 6:30 only.
All right.
Because
Okay.
I have another this thing, so 6:30 to 7:30 or 8 will do. Because actually the reason for having this batch at 6:30 is to cut off this stretch of the time duration.
Sure, sure.
1.5 hour time I should allocate. That's the reason why this batch was kept. Okay, so
Fine.
now.
And Samir sir, so why it is cutting like very often these days? Like it will happen in between classes getting disconnected. So this is often, what is the issue? So and we were not able to join.
That is basically sometimes happens, the network and all these things. Sometimes because that's a random one. So from our end.
It happened twice or thrice actually. Can you check with Durga Soft?
I will check with them if any technical issues there. Definitely, I'll see that the thing is done at the earliest. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, let us start with the case study here. So let's see here the case study. I will see if is there any technical issues. So I have already informed them. Further, if it is a technical issue is there, I'll see that the problem is solved at the earliest. Okay. So, guys, the case study and the title of the case study, I can tell you here. The title of the case study. The title of the case study is Copy Data Copy Data Tool. In short, we call it as a CDT. In short, we call it as what? CDT. So, guys, CDT, Copy Data Tool. So, whereas the copy data tool is basically okay, the copy data tool basically it performs the same job of what is that extraction and loading. Guys, we are not started yet. We have not started yet with the transformations, guys. Simply what we have done, we have been doing what's that extraction and Yes, we are using what? Extraction and loading. We are using what? Extraction and loading. Transformation, anyways, will start up okay very soon. But okay, we are using what? Extraction and loading is the process we are using it. Okay. So in this process of extraction and loading, okay, we perform this job by using the CDT, that is called as a copy data tool, using the wizard method, guys. So there will be okay, whatever the thing, though the entire thing what we are doing it's a wizard based, but it will make more flexible to perform the job of what is that? To perform the job of that is nothing but ETL. Okay. So now guys, what is CDT? So I can give you some 2 to 3 points on CDT, then we can move ahead with the practical. Okay. So using CDT, all of you, using CDT, we can, using CDT, we can implement data ingestion, data ingestion, data ingestion process. Okay, data ingestion process using wizard experience, using the wizard experience. Okay, using CDT we can implement the data ingestion process using the wizard experience, using the wizard experience. Okay, develop artifacts, develop artifacts, develop artifacts such as linked service, such as also linked service data sets, uh, pipeline, pipeline, etc. That's it. Okay. And now 3, saves the development time. Saves the development time. And the next one we can say it allows to edit okay it allows edit artifacts such as pipeline, to implement complex business logic. That's it. Okay. Okay. So now guys, here you have it, guys. So can you see it? I'm using source data store. Source data store. So guys, here the source data store is what I'm giving under the specifications. Source data store. So ADLS. Let's make it as Gen 2. And now guys, again, files. Now guys, the files. Then use a sync data store. Sync data storage. And here you can say Azure Gulab. Or you can also use it here, or else you can also use any other thing. So I can also use the Gen 2 here. Let us sync to sync copy that shit. Okay. This is the Kinesis specifications of the day we have it. So now we are going to perform this job by using the wizard method, guys. Nothing. Okay. So as it is, do one thing, start the process here. So to begin the process, same logic we have to apply everyone. Okay, guys. So now here you have it. Open this.
I'm not sharing some.
Now, guys, here we have it. The first one, I'm starting up the resource group. Same process is same, because this you have to create it anyhow. You cannot skip creation of this all. So create the resource group. Click on this. And now, guys, use it here. CDT RG means for resource group. That's it. So click on the review. Just a minute. Guys, 2 minutes. I'm just sleep. So this is the thing we have it. Just a minute. Just give me a second. I'm opening another tab because the subscription what I have used here, it is disabled. So I've already prepared a new one. Now, guys, just open the resource group first of all as it is. Click on the create tab, and once you have used the create tab, so I'm just giving the name here. So let's click on the create a new. That means what is that? Guys, everyone, I can create the resource group like individually here. So click on the create. And now I'm using CDT RG. Review and create. Guys, here the first resource group is ready. And now click on the create the storage account. And now, guys, one more thing. You can also create the resource group while creating a storage account. Likewise, here, your create button is there. Now you can create it here. Anyways, I have already created, so that's the reason why it got selected here. But we can also create a new resource group by just selecting here the create option. That's it. Okay. So now, guys, here I want the source to be in the Gen 2. So I'm using source Gen 2 CDT. CDT. What's that? I'm using CDT. So click on the review. Click on the create. Now open the new tab. So open this. Now, guys, create a new storage account. Click on the create tab. So, guys, I'm using it to the same storage, that is resource group, and the storage account I'm using the sync Gen 2 CDT. There is a copy data tool. Oh, sorry, guys. This is also the blob. I think I've not selected the Gen 2. Am I right? Now blob only. There is no Gen 2. Okay, no problem. Let it be. So if you want to make a Gen 2, click on the advanced tab and just select the enable hierarchical namespace. So click on the review. Click on the create. Now, guys, this is the source is ready and the sync is being prepared. And meanwhile, I will start up the data factor session also. So to start up the data factory, as it is, you have to use it the same. Process is same. And now guys, select the data factory. Click on the create. And now guys, select the resource group. You have it. Already we have created the resource group CDT RG. And now I'm using instance using of CDT. Review. Click on create. Create. See here, everyone. Is it fine now? See, basically, the logo is changed here, container logo. When you talk about the Azure blob storage, this is the logo you have it. And here you have a logo is changed here. Cylindrical logo. Click on the container. Sorry, click on the container. And now click on the new container. Use it here, input as the new container name.
So because you selected Gen 2, so that is why there is a change in this one, right?
Yeah, guys, tell me, somebody.
Yeah, because you selected Gen 2, that is why there is a difference in logo, right?
Yeah. The first one, I forgot to select the Gen 2. Anyways, no problem. That's not an issue. So just click on the container.
So Gen 2 is for big files like huge data file.
Yes. And most of huge data files, and even if you have the data when you wanted to use it for the that is something, but visualization or analysis for the data. So we just put the data into this Gen 2. See, a type of a cylindrical structure where you have some graphical reporting, it says. This represents the mostly graphical reporting. So that's the thing. So I'm using it. Can you see here? The output container is ready and the input container is also ready. See here, the input container is ready and the output container is ready, everything. So now guys, simply just go to the data factory.
But isn't the issue, isn't the deal with Gen 2 that because it's got hierarchical namespace, you can kind of create nested folders, right?
Yes.
That's the difference.
So guys, that's it. We have it. I'm opening up. Now this is the thing you have it. So simply we used to do what? Yes, guys, till now we used to go to this manage and create the link service, then author by using the same. Author, we used to go to author and start the pipeline. So now I'm not going to use anything. Simply, I'm going to use the ingest button. Can you see here? You can find the button called ingest here or not. Yes, everyone?
Yes.
Click on this. Now it will say build a copy or what? Built-in copy task. Yes, I want the built-in copy task now. So you want to run once or schedule it and tumbling window. That means scheduling means for trigger only, guys. Tumbling triggers we have not started yet, so as I'm not discussing that. So triggers basically are automated method of running the pipeline because we are using the debug now. Debug is a manual method. We have it. So anyways, run once because I want to use the normal method of running. Click on the new. And now guys, select the type of source you have it. What is the source you have it? The source is the blob storage. Anyway, so just select the blob storage. And now, do you have created any link service? No link service have been defined so far for this blob storage. So click on the new. Same process, just by using the wizard method. ls underscore blob underscore source. That's it, guys. Now select it here. The account key is fine. Everything is fine. Select the subscription, you have it. So this is a subscription which I wanted to create it here. Select the account name, source into. Click on the test connections. That's it, guys. Click on the create. So guys, now first further specify where is your storage is, file or folder, whatever you have it. Click on this input. But have we loaded any file so far? No, file is not uploaded. So anyways, we have to go and upload it. So go to the input, click on the upload. Just a minute. I can select it here, the files. So guys, click on open. Upload it. Succeeded. Now the file is uploaded. Now leave it as it is. Come back to this one. Now guys, click on the browse. Select the input. Airlines or CSV. Select it. That's it. Now it's done, guys. Link service already we have selected. Okay, that's it now. So that's it, guys. Anyways, these are all the things we will see once one after the other. What is binary copy? Okay, what is recursive true? Okay, and what is that you have it? All this we'll discuss it in the next exercise. Okay, so click on the next. And now, guys, it will ask you here the type of file you have. Delimited file is there. Yes, of course. CSV file now, delimited file, and leave it as it is. This one. Any kind of a compression you want, just mention it. First trust the header. Yes, first trust the header only. Click on the next. Now, guys, destination. Select the information related to destination. I want WhatsApp Azure Data Lake Gen 2. and now select it here. Okay, anyways, you don't have any kind of a connection here. So select it here. So now use it here. Connection means link service. Create one more link service, ls underscore ADLS underscore gen2 underscore sync also you can say, because for having a clarity. Select it. Click on the test connections. It says failed. Why? Just check here.
Selected source gen2, I think, on the storage account name.
Discard it. Destination is gen2. Yeah, what is it? Tell me.
On the storage account name, you have selected the source gen2 in the name of sync.
It's gen2 only, no doubt at all. Guys, tell me what is it? So I'll go back. Just a minute. I'll go back now.
On the creation of linked services in the storage account name, you have selected this source gen2 in the name of sync.
Okay, just a minute. Let us select it here.
Yeah.
Click on the create. Select it here. ls underscore sync underscore gen2. I will give it. Okay. Some name, that's it. And now guys, select it here. Everything is fine. Select it here. Okay. Source name, no?
Yes, see.
Okay. Source gen2, no? Sync gen2.
Yes.
Now test it. Successful. Now click on the create. No, that's it. Now map it. So here you have it. Browse it. Output folder. So click on the next. Okay. Now guys, select the same file. Everything is fine now. There is no file anyway, so need not worry about at this point of time. Click on the next, and now delimited file. Everything is okay now. Here you need not make any changes. So add the header to the file. Yes, add the header to the file. That's it. First was the header I'm talking about. Click on the new. Now guys, the pipeline, can you see here? This is the information related to the pipeline, we can say. So use the pipeline name, whatever you wanted. So I'm using the pipeline name as PL underscore CDT. That's it, guys. Okay. So anyways, the staging database and all these things, I'm not using it right now. Some advanced features. Okay, so click on the next. That's it, guys. See here. Everything we have done it in a proper way. No change at all. Click on the next, sorry. See process. That's it. See, succeeded. Pipeline running, it is also succeeded. Finished. Just go here and check. Finally, output. Refresh it once. Got the data, guys, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Open this.
Yes.
Edit it. Got it here? You want to preview it? See here, the data is very heavy, but still see here. Everyone okay, fine now? This is how we can have the data. So, this is how we perform the CDT. That is called as a copy data tool. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Okay. Okay, that's it. We have it. So everyone is clear now, or any doubt in this? Very simple process, guys. Very simple process. Okay. So just we use it this one. So if you want, okay, we can click on the finish. Done now. Back. Okay. The same way we can, using the CDT copy data tool, we can perform the transformations also. Okay. And code-free data pipeline. We can also design the code-free data pipeline. Okay. Directly pipeline, you can have it here. Okay. So anyways, these are all the things we can use it. Okay. Transformations. See here. Open this. You can have it here also. Home page. So likewise, okay, we can also configure the SSIS. So whenever you wanted to run any kind of this thing, that is the code of Informatica or any other this thing on the system, we can use it here. Okay. So anyways, use the Azure SSIS integration runtime. That's it, guys. So anyways, I'm canceling that. So just go to the home page. You can see it. These are all the things you can use it. So that's it, guys. So we have used the ingest now to perform the copy activity. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending. And next we will have the class on Monday directly. And we'll start at 6:30 only Monday. Okay. No problem.
What are we going to do next? Like, what will we do next? From what's
we are to, I will see that basically it's not fixed that we will be doing in the sequential order. Okay.
okay.
Mostly
right.
we will try to see the reading the data from the JSON.
Okay.
JSON to CSV, we will see how to convert the data from JSON to CSV.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Sure.
Thank you,
Please
guys.
share me the steps and you have to upload the file, that one also.
Which one? This
The
one?
steps.
Oh,
Yeah. Steps and you have upload the one file. It is a copy file, that one.
got it, everyone? Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's it, guys. Thank you, everyone. I'm ending the class. We'll meet Monday, 6:30.